Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just want to make sure that everybody understands the reasons behind the fact that some of you don't see it, and the fact that some of you have a message that says your machine's not compatible. There's a lot of people that don't understand the minimum requirements, right? And seem to think that they don't see why it's not working. So first of all, once again, you don't see it. You don't see it. It's all right. There's nothing wrong. Not everybody sees it, and that is one way Microsoft is just trickling Windows 11 to really test out if everything's all right. So you don't see it. It doesn't matter, and Windows 10 is fine. Just continue using Windows 10. Someday it'll be there. That's all. Once again, I do not recommend to force it unless you're some tech enthusiast that knows what he's doing and wants to try it out. The minimum requirements. A lot of people still don't understand. Well, I've got this, I've got that, and I don't get it. And it's a simple thing. Intel 8 generation or later. Okay, this is who gets the operating system. You have to be at an Intel 8 generation or later, or Ryzen 2 or later. And then you have to have at least 4 gigabytes of memory, which is that shouldn't be a problem for most. TPM 2.0 and TPM 1.2 if you're unsupported. You still need TPM, but the 1.2 version. The other thing here that is important to understand in the minimum requirements is that a lot of people are not far from what is needed, but you're just not making the cut. The CPU is the number one thing why people are not getting it, not TPM. The other thing also is to understand that Windows 11, even if you have it in an unsupported machine with the tricks that I actually showed you, and of course there's other tricks and other things around that exist, you're still unsupported. You're not cheating Windows. You're not cheating Microsoft in making it believe, yeah, that's fine. Because Microsoft knows, and you're on an unsupported machine. A lot of people asking secure boot and don't understand secure boot. Secure boot is a different way of booting up your computer. It's turned on in the UEFI BIOS of your machine. And a lot of people say, well, yeah, when I do that, I can't boot anymore. Yeah, because when you change secure boot, you have to reinstall with secure boot because it's not the same way of booting up. Your computer doesn't see that there's an operating system anymore. It changes the way the boot up process happens. So there's a few things like that are important. And secure boot is something you cannot bypass. It has to be there if you want to have it. So there's quite a few things like that people don't understand. You know what? Once again, and I'll say it again and again and again. If you are on Windows 10, you are fine. Doesn't matter if you don't get it. Okay? And if you're a machine that can support this, someday it'll show up. And that's it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.